Mr. Oliver Chua, to the rest of the management of UNO and staff, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. First of all, PDP Rhineland would also like to congratulate you on achieving the Global Excellence Award. My name, by the way, is again Pinky Zamora Villacruzes, and I am representing the TUG Rhineland Philippines, a member of the PV Rhineland Global Group. We are a German certification body that is globally known. We have 60 offices in 500 locations globally. We were engaged by UNO last year to audit the organization against the requirements of an international standard, which is the Quality Management System, or otherwise known as ISO 9001. And UNO was very successful in passing the certification audit and has been awarded the ISO 9001 certificate. You may ask, what is being certified to ISO mean? It simply means that UNO is committed to implementing a systematic business processes with pragmatic approach to decision making and continual improvement as an organization. More importantly, UNO has been consistent in their mission of providing the best products and services and to produce more entrepreneurs. And your passion in upholding your vision of being the #1 network marketing opportunity in the world. And Rhineland is proud to announce that UNO has been successful in their promise and will continue to do so as UNO enters its second year as being certified to ISO 9001-2008. Siguro po, naiisip nyo numbers. Ito lang po yung tandaan po nila. Tatlo lang po. World class, total customer satisfaction, and high standard. Importante po ito sa UNO dahil importante po kayong lahat sa kanila. Dahil sa UNO, kayo ang #1. Again, on behalf of TUG Rhineland Philippines, we congratulate you and we are very proud to be your partner in quality. Mabuhay po kayong lahat and happy anniversary!
Thank you! Congratulations talaga sa UNO, no? Grabe!
Tapos, ang laban. Ayan. Ay, gusto ko na naman.
Grabe